Hi, my name is Anthony. I, along with Sophie, Adam, and Thomas, will be presenting our recommendations for our client partner, Living Seawalls. Based on Living Seawalls' objectives of revenue stream diversification, 500% increase in revenue by 2030, and a situational analysis of the current climate they operate in, we have identified two key areas of opportunity that we believe will be beneficial for Living Seawalls to explore further. The first recommendation is for Living Seawalls to develop innovative educational programs hosted at aquariums and zoos. These programs will include interactive sessions, engaging workshops, and hands-on activities designed to educate visitors about marine ecology, conservation, and the importance of preserving marine life. This initiative aims to leverage the existing interest in these institutions to provide valuable learning experiences. The second recommendation is introducing a unique experience by utilizing VR technology in order to deliver information towards potential investors as well as individuals associated with marine conservation, while also allowing users to interact with the simulation. Users will be able to see the many benefits living seawall products provide to marine life, which we hope to transform individuals into marine conservation advocates. Now on to Sophie for the three tiers of non-customer.
My name is Sophie Malek, and as Anthony said, I'm going to be talking about the three tiers of non customers. When utilizing Tier 3 of the non customer framework, it is clear that there is a significant area of opportunity for living seawalls to explore. In 2019 alone, Australian residents made 2.7 million day trips to zoos and aquariums, spending $388 million. The public's high interest and financial commitment to visiting these institutions present a robust demand for engaging and educational offerings, making this an ideal market for living seawalls.
When looking at the educational programs on the canvas, the offering level is relatively low for both Living Seawalls and the industry as a whole. Currently, Living Seawalls educational seminars are for school students primarily based in classrooms or on site. Students of all ages can participate in educational programs as long as their school organizes it. Also, Living Seawall's current market offering is delivered at a very high price with not much general variety, potentially inhibiting their customer reach.
When looking at the Four Actions framework, we found that living seawalls could gain immense value from limiting the focus on customization and instead understand how they could cater to a wider customer segment. With a growing number of environmentally conscious individuals, particularly among younger generations, raising awareness through engaging educational content can drive long term interest and support. This will help build a loyal customer base that values sustainability and marine conservation. Living Seawall's main offering is costly and may be financially out of reach or not relevant to many potential customers. Living Seawalls should look at offering valuable services at a lower price point, broadening their customer base and making their impact more inclusive. Further, creating tailored educational programs that introduce a layer of fun when discussing conservation strategies in these venues can provide steady, predictable revenue and expand Living Seawall's reach.
With the implementation of our Blue Ocean strategy, it can be seen that there is a reduction in high-priced marine ecology services. This step is critical in making our programs more accessible and appealing to a broader audience. We also intend to minimize customization. Although customization can entice particular clients, it significantly reduces scalability. By decreasing customization, we could serve more participants efficiently and effectively. Our strategy will focus on raising the bar on three vital competitive factors. Increasing environmental benefits. Our programs will enhance the environmental benefits of the marine ecology education. This addresses a market gap and leverages the growing eco-conscious consumer population. Enhancing our contributions to the environmental sustainability will further increase our value proposition to potential customers. The second being market opportunity. By targeting eco-conscious consumers, we can fill a significant market gap. This will position our company as a leader in environmental education, making us the go-to choice for consumers who prioritize sustainability. The third being long-term value proposition. Our strategy will focus on the long-term development and delivery of marine education programs. This approach will ensure our contributions to environmental sustainability are substantial, leading to increased consumer loyalty and repeat purchases. Our strategy also intends to improve the level and quality of education offered in marine ecology solutions. By completely using our resources, we will provide our consumers with a unique and useful educational experience. We will create marine ecological instructional programs geared towards the younger generation. In addition, we'll offer extensive customer support and consulting services to ensure a smooth, engaging experience for all participants.
Living Seawalls can create value by developing innovative and engaging educational programs that teach children and visitors not only about marine ecology and conservation, but also about the importance of preserving marine life in settings where animals and marine life are, such as aquariums and zoos. These programs won't just attract traditional aquarium or zoo visitors. We're targeting any institution or program seeking comprehensive marine ecology programs. Our educational packages will be designed to fit any objective, attracting new groups of visitors who may not typically visit aquariums. Partnering with local marine conservation groups will enhance our program content and authenticity. By sharing resources and expertise, materials and activities can be co-created, reducing both labour and overall costs. Finally, a feedback loop can be implemented to continuously refine and improve the programs. Cost-effective evaluation methods like surveys and data analytics will allow optimization of program delivery and resource allocation based on participant insights and educational trends.
The primary goal of this program is to boost bioutility by offering an engaging educational experience about marine ecology that is unique to each visitor. We can establish ideal pricing points by analyzing prices in terms of perceived value. Cost reduction through effective operations and collaborations will also be critical. High biousefulness and low cost will encourage widespread participation in our programs. To increase bioutility, we provide engaging educational experiences on marine ecology aimed at younger, eco-conscious audiences to create a deeper awareness of marine environments. Pricing will be based on perceived value, allowing us to establish reasonable pricing while saving money through efficient operations and collaborations. This provides costs without compromising quality. Scalable operations and the use of digital platforms will help to reduce operational expenses while also improving the learning environment. With the high biousefulness and reasonable pricing, our programs will be widely adopted, meeting the growing demand for environmental education. Our unique value offer focuses on providing a complete and engaging marine ecological learning experience. Our strategy plan prioritizes improving bioutility, optimizing price, lowering costs, and growing adoption. The bio-utility map summarizes the key levers that Living Seawalls can strategically target to achieve its goals and gain a competitive advantage over its key competitors through the use of blue ocean strategy. For instance, our priority is to increase bio-utility, reduce expenses, improve scalability, and achieve a competitive advantage in the market. To boost bio-utility, we've expanded our offerings beyond school-based programs to include zoos and aquariums. We hope to make learning more enjoyable and meaningful by addressing a broader audience, particularly eco-conscious individuals with immersive and interactive marine ecological experiences. Cost reduction is critical. We're cutting the cost of our marine ecology services so that we can offer affordable education programs without sacrificing quality. This guarantees affordability based on perceived value. In terms of scalability, we're simplifying customization in our programs to keep excellent quality while reaching a bigger audience more effectively. Leveraging digital platforms and technology will enhance program delivery and affordability. We are also focused on three competitive advantages: increasing the environmental impact of our programs, bridging the market gap for environmentally concerned consumers, contributing to the environmental sustainability. Our target demographic is the younger generation. We hope to effectively engage people in marine ecology learning by providing customized educational programs and extensive customer assistance. Our objective is straightforward: to consistently provide high quality marine education programs that are notable for their educational impact and environmental focus.
Using the PATH framework clarifies that the proposed recommendation complements other educational initiatives rather than directly competes with them, fostering a holistic approach to environmental education. To further enhance educational offering, Living Seawalls can leverage insights from substitute industries. This will help attract diverse audiences and contribute to a broader environmental education initiative. By analysing alternative industries as well, Living Seawalls can identify potential competitors or complementary services that cater to similar educational needs. This allows differentiation and the addition of a unique value to the offering. With the implementation of the program, the proposed objectives of the recommendation include increasing brand awareness, generating leads for the program, and achieving a high conversion rate. If the objectives are met effectively, this new educational offering presents an opportunity for Living Seawalls to diversify its revenue streams and achieve its objective of 500% revenue increase by 2030 effectively. Currently, Living Seawalls has a small yet extremely knowledgeable team of staff. Each member has vast knowledge on marine ecology and will be a great asset in forming the educational program itself. The proposed budget allocation for Living Seawalls program includes $15,000 for digital advertising, covering social media and Google Ads to enhance outreach and engagement. $10,000 is allocated for content creation, including video production and graphic design to create compelling educational materials. Website development and maintenance receive $5,000 to ensure a user-friendly interface and seamless registration process. Additionally, $5,000 is earmarked for partnership and collaboration expenses with schools and conservation groups. Finally, $10,000 is allocated for marketing personnel and agency fees to manage and optimize the program's marketing campaigns effectively. The timeline for the implementation of the project is depicted in the Gantt chart. Each task is projected to take between 15 and 20 days to complete. When looking at the implementation holistically, if Living Seawalls were to start on the 1st of June, they would finish the implementation of this project by approximately the middle of September, taking less than 4 months for completion. The success of Living Seawalls' educational program in achieving the objectives can be measured through various metrics and tools. Google Analytics would track increases in website traffic and engagement, while social media analytics will monitor growth in followers and engagement rates. The number of program registrations and participant feedback will ensure program effectiveness and satisfaction, and can be measured using enrollment databases for tracking registrations and conducting participant feedback surveys to gauge satisfaction levels. Return on investment from marketing campaigns will be calculated to assess the efficiency of spending. Finally, revenue growth can be analyzed and compared using an annual financial reports.
Hi, my name is Thomas and I'll be presenting you Strategy Recommendation 2, Educational Programs Utilizing Virtual Reality. After having examined a SWOT analysis and considered Living Seawalls' objectives, it's evident that Living Seawalls must diversify revenue streams, boost revenue, and reduce reliance on government and philanthropic grants. Our recommendation involves harnessing the power of virtual reality educational programs to assist achieve these objectives. These immersive experiences will showcase underwater environments and demonstrate the positive effects of Living Seawalls products on marine ecosystems. We plan to feature this VR experience in environmental exhibitions and integrate it into educational programs. This not only generates a new revenue stream, but also fosters public awareness and understanding of marine conservation. For the 3 tiers of non-customers, we have Tier 1, coastal engineering firms that have previously considered Living Seawalls but chose a cheaper alternative like ARC Marine. Tier 2, government organizations or companies exploring shoreline protection options. They are aware of Living Seawalls but are undecided and are considering alternatives like traditional concrete seawalls. And Tier 3, territory-level students or educators studying or researching environmental sustainability and marine life conservation. For our 4 actions framework, we have Eliminate. We will eliminate the reliance on costly and time-consuming consultation services by integrating interactive VR programs. These initiatives will streamline operations, allowing Living Seawalls to allocate resources more efficiently. Additionally, we will phase out print advertising materials like pamphlets and brochures, thereby diversifying Living Seawalls' marketing and outreach strategies. For Raise, environmental awareness is growing, particularly among younger demographics. By offering engaging, interactive, and quality VR educational programs, we can capture the attention of this audience, spreading awareness and enhancing a deeper understanding of environmental sustainability. For Reduce, by diversifying revenue streams through educational programs, Living Seawalls will reduce their dependency on unpredictable government and philanthropic funding, which will in turn enhance their financial stability. Moreover, our strategy will reduce Living Seawalls' reliance on physical convention setups, cutting expenses related to staffing and setup costs. And lastly, for Create, our VR program will create unique educational experiences that allow users to explore marine ecosystems and understand the vital role of seawalls in conservation. This innovation will also pave the way for virtual reality conventions, offering a platform for experts and enthusiasts to discuss and explore the role of technology in environmental conservation. For our strategy canvas to be, it will focus on implementing impactful marine educational programs that highlight the long-term value of Living Seawalls. Current educational programs often lack environmental integration and focus on short-term goals. This strategy fills the gap by offering marine ecology, education, and solutions, appealing to the eco-conscious. By raising the quality and variety of educational programs, Living Seawalls will provide unique, immersive experiences that competitors lack. Customers will benefit from cutting-edge learning opportunities and comprehensive support services, resulting in a more enriching experience. This strategy will capture new market space, attract a broader audience, particularly territory-level students and educators, and solidify Living Seawall's leadership in marine conservation. For our value innovation, firstly, interactive and immersive educational program, we will develop VR programs that immerse users in marine ecosystems, demonstrating the positive impact of living seawalls and deepening users' understanding of environmental sustainability. Leveraging existing VR technology will spread the initial development costs over time. Additionally, digital updates will keep the content relevant without significant additional expenses. For non-customers and adaptive and scalable program design, our VR program will feature an adaptive learning system tailored to users' knowledge levels and learning paces, enhancing engagement and learning outcomes. This scalable design will cater to schools, educational institutions, and corporate groups. Adaptive learning algorithms will optimize resource allocation. This scalable design minimizes the need for additional infrastructure, keeping costs manageable as we expand our reach. For partnerships and collaborations, partnering with environmental NGOs and educational content creators will ensure high-quality, scientifically accurate, and engaging VR content. Additionally, shared development costs with partners and leveraging their networks for promotion will significantly reduce expenses for living seawalls. And lastly, for continuous improvement through data analytics, utilizing advanced data analytics will help track user interactions and learning progress, informing living seawalls of continuous content improvements. In terms of cost reduction, automated surveys and in-program feedback tools will lower evaluation costs, optimizing resource use and enhancing educational outcomes.
Hello, my name is Adam. I'm here to present the rest of Recommendation 2. Our strategic plan is clear. To enhance buyer utility, we propose integrating VR technology into Living Seawall's educational initiative. This immersive approach will effectively communicate the benefits of our product and their positive environmental impact. Though our analysis, we've determined that the investment in VR aligns with the value it provides, meeting and exceeding expectations. To ensure feasibility, we've considered practical aspects such as collaboration with VR developers, design of immersive environments, and partnerships with educational and environmental organizations. By leveraging existing digital platforms and drawing insights from diverse sectors, we aim to differentiate Living Seawall from competitors while maintaining accessible prices. The introduction of VR education programs for Living Seawall marks a significant departure from conventional industry practices. While competitors focus on convenience and user-friendly interfaces, our Blue Ocean strategy offers immersive experience that transcends traditional boundaries. Imagine being transported into the underwater world, where you not only learn about the benefits of Living Seawall, but also experience firsthand the positive environmental impacts it creates. Through virtual tours, interactive lessons, and real-time simulations of environmental change, users gain a deep understanding of marine conservation and their role in protecting our oceans. Moreover, our VR content will be accessible across multiple platforms, offering comprehensive tutorials and eco-conscious narratives that emphasize sustainability. By providing a truly immersive and educational experience, we enhance buyer utility and differentiate Living Seawall as a leader in environmental education. By exploring alternative industries such as education, tourism, and entertainment, we uncover valuable insights into how VR technology is being utilized to create immersive and engaging experiences. Drawing from these experiences, we can chart a path forward for Living Seawall's projects, leveraging VR technology to develop an innovative educational tool. We plan to implement this innovative idea within our client partners organization through collaborations with experienced VR developers, which will be key in enabling us to create interactive and realistic underwater environments. These environments will not only educate users about the impacts of Living Seawall, but also provide opportunity for engagement. Furthermore, partnerships with educational institutes and environmental organizations will amplify our reach, integrating VR experiences into curriculums and outreach programs. By providing training sessions for educators and promotional material to raise awareness, we ensure that the VR experience is effectively utilized. Integrating VR into Living Seawall's educational program promises substantial benefits in increased brand awareness, engagement, and lead generation. Our carefully allocated budget of $20,000 for VR equipment, $15,000 for digital marketing, $10,000 for content creation, $5,000 for partnerships, and $5,000 for website enhancements ensures a comprehensive approach. This investment is expected to yield significant returns through improved social media engagement, program registration, and qualified lead generation. According to our Gantt chart, key milestones include the development of VR content in the first quarter, followed by strategic marketing campaigns and partnership agreements in the second quarter. We will track social media growth, revenue increases, program registrations, and website engagement to measure our success. For our future objectives, we will focus on improving our social media engagement by 40% in 5 months, securing 200 VR program users within a year, and launching the VR program at 3 major sustainability exhibitions within 6 months. Through meticulous measurement and control, we aim to achieve a 90% participation satisfaction score, secure 250 qualified leads, and ensure the long-term success of the VR initiative in promoting marine conservation. In conclusion, our strategic implementation of VR technology aligns with Living Seawall's commitment to environmental education. By harnessing immersive experiences and strategic partnerships, we can drive meaningful change and position our client as a leader in the marine conservation.